Hi, today we are going to learn about rounding decimals with 2 decimal places to the nearest whole number and to 1 decimal place. 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means a number with 2 digits after the decimal point. 2 decimal places is the same as the nearest hundredth. For example, for a 5.89 or 1.02. Now what is rounding? Rounding is a process of approximating a number, keeping its value close to what it was. There are 2 methods of rounding a number. The first one is using a number line, and the second one is using the next digit. Rounding to the nearest whole number. Rounding to the nearest whole number means finding the closest whole number to a given number. For example, if we need to round 6.42 to the nearest whole number using method 1, that is a number line, the step 1 would be write the 2 whole numbers in between which 6.42 lies on a number line. So those 2 numbers are 6 and 7. Step 2 is mark 6.42 on the number line like this. Step 3 is find the whole number which is closest to 6.42. Here it is 6. So 6.42 rounded to the nearest whole number is 6. Now let's try this question using method 2, that is using the next digit. We look at the digit to the right of the one we are rounding to. If it is 5 or more, then round it up. If it is less than 5, then round it down. As we are rounding to the nearest whole number, we will look at the 10th digit. In 6.42, digit at 10th place is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, so we will round 6.42 down. So 6.42 rounded to the nearest whole number is 6. Now let's take another example. Here, we need to round 31.57 to 1 decimal place. Rounding to 1 decimal place means rounding to the nearest tenth, that is, working the closest tenth. Let's do it using method 1, that is, using a number line. Step 1 is write the 2 tenths in between which 31.57 lies on a number line. Those 2 tenths are 31.5 and 31.6 as mentioned here. Step 2 is mark 31.57 on the number line like this. Step 3 is find the tenth which is closest to 31.57. Here it is 31.6. So 31.57 rounded to 1 decimal place is 31.6. Now let's solve the same question using the next method, which is using next digit. We look at the digit to the right of the one we are rounding to. If it is 5 or more, then we round it up. But if it's less than 5, then we round it down. As we are rounding to 1 decimal place, that is, to the nearest tenth, so we'll look at the hundredth digit. In 31.57, digit at hundredth place is 7. So we will round 31.57 up. So 31.57 rounded to 1 decimal place is 31.6.